What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Ho ho ho, and a Merry Christmas to you too. So I did the Grinch, and you guys let me know in the comments how you like it. How did I do? If you guys want to see how I got this look, so please keep watching. Hey guys, starting off, I'm just going to take a eyeliner and trace out the drip effect on my face. So taking my Mirror on Paradise palette, I'm going to take those greens and paint my face, and I'll be using those greens throughout the whole video. Once I finish painting a layer on my face, I'm going to let it dry and then start working on the glam side. Taking my P. Louise base in Rumor 2, I'm just going to prime my eye. Going in with Auntie Jackie Ina's palette, I'm going to go in with Credit to my crease. Next, taking Ginger, I'm going to blend that harsh edge. Going in with my Revolution concealer in F1, I'm going to cut my crease. Once I've blended that edge, I'm going to take Soleil and apply it to my lid. Going in with my Fenty concealer in 385, I'm just going to clean up my eyeshadow. Using my Morphe eyeliner, I'm just going to line my eye. Now I'm highlighting with Trust Issues. Now taking my Fenty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 420. Taking that same foundation, I'm just going to fill in the drip parts. Using my NARS and Caramel and my Fenty in 385, I'm just going to highlight my face. Now I'm just adding another layer of green to my face to darken it. Taking the darkest green, now we're going to work on this brow. I'm just going to fill it in. Using my Morphe Bake and Set in Banana, I'm just going to set my concealer. Using this green, I'm going to highlight my face. I was having some trouble blending, so I'm just going to take my Morphe 25L palette and set that for a second and then apply another layer. Using a black and a white, I'm just going to add some depth to my eyebrow. Taking my James Charles palette, we're going to work on this eye now. After lining my eye, I'm going to take that same eyeliner and trace out my nose. And then go in with my Morphe 25L palette, that pink, and fill it in. I took a little black just to darken it some. And now I'm going to work on the snout, I guess you can call it, and add some freckles. Filling in my lips with my Mirror on Paradise paint palette with a green and then a pink. I use my paint palette and a black eyeshadow to finish off my facial features. Now that I've done my shading, taking that white from the 25L palette, I'm just going to highlight those shaded areas. That white wasn't doing what I needed, so I took the white from the Paradise palette, and now I'm just adding the shading for my snout and a little more foundation for the drips. Using Kiss Lashes and Chiffon, and then applying 24 karat highlighter by Fearless Faces.
Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more looks like this in the future.